Hello, potato.
Hello,
Good
teacher.
evening. Hi. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Good. How are you today?
Great.
Great. That's good to hear. You are great today. All right. So here we go. Potato, let me share to you the screen so we can start with our lesson this evening.
No.
Okay? Wait me for
Yes.
a while. Teacher is sharing the screen so we can start now. There you go. All right. Potato, can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
All right. What is unit 11 for this evening, Potato? Can you
What?
read? What's unit 11? We are now at unit 11. And what is it all about?
No.
Can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
Okay, with me. All right. Potato,
What?
look at
What?
here. Okay, look at unit 11. Unit 11 is all about whose. Please read.
From
Whose is.
from Paris.
Okay, read. Unit 11. Whose is it? Again.
From
All right. Whose is it? Now here, potato, let's have a
Cake. Mouse.
word. What's the first word we have?
Cake.
Cake. Next,
Map.
Mouse.
house. Next,
Watch.
watch. Okay. Potato, do you know these three words? Do you know these three words?
No.
Okay, yeah.
Watch.
All right. How about this one? What's the first word?
Tennis.
Okay, tennis.
Tennis.
This one.
Clock.
Okay, clock. Very good.
Clock.
This one. What's this?
Cake.
Okay, paint.
Paint.
Great job. Okay, now look at here, potato. We have here two different words, but they have the same pronunciation. If you try to read this is pronounced as whose, and the other one is pronounced as whose. But then they aren't the same. Look at here.
Yes.
Look at here, potato.
You what?
Here. Wala nagsulay na. Look at here. We have whose and whose. Okay. Now this one has apostrophe S. This one got different spelling. So in the first word, whose with apostrophe S, it is the contraction of who is or who has. It means potato. We make it short. Instead of writing who is, we write whose.
No.
We just write who apostrophe S or who has one. For example, potato, could you please read what are the first and the second example? What's the example?
What?
What's the example? The two one.
No, but
Okay. Who's free next weekend? And I don't know who is coming. Okay. Now look at here. Look at in the first one. Who's free? It means who has free or who is free next weekend. And number two, I don't know who is coming. So instead of writing who is, we write who. Okay. Next. Here, whose, that's spelled as W-H-O-S-E. That is what we called for the possessive form who. Possessive, meaning ownership. We use this to ask who is the owner. For example, potato. Whose book is it? Oh, we are asking who is the owner of the book. Second one, she's writing, my friend, whose writing is neat. Oh, look at that. It talks about the owner of the person who is good at writing, who is neat in writing. Okay? That's the difference between these two.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at here. We have singular and plural. Potato, if we say singular, it means one. Can you please, Potato, read what are the
Yeah.
examples of singular nouns? Dog's house. Again, please read.
Yeah.
Come on, Potato. Dog's house.
Dog hat.
Next.
Both road. Down. Both two. Car engine.
Okay.
Letter room. Just pen. My mom back. And the man is white bomb. Table leg. Girl head. Ramen bag. Children roll. Man shoes.
Okay, look at this one. Potato. If it's singular noun, you put the word and then apostrophe S. Okay? Apostrophe S. But if it's a plural, it means it's many. There's already, for example, boys. It means many boys. Oh. If there's already S, Potato, you put apostrophe at the last part. Okay? Example, boy, ball, table, leg, girl, hand. Okay, but Potato, if the word doesn't end with S, like woman, you put apostrophe and S. Children, this word doesn't have S, apostrophe S. Okay, that's it. All right. Potato, can you please read? What are the examples of personal pronouns? Please read.
What?
Come on. Personal pronouns.
What?
Please read what are the examples of personal pronouns. I, you,
I, you, he, she, it, we, you, them, my, your, his, her, and your, their, mine, your, his, him, your, or our, your, their.
Okay, look at here. These three are different or they have different usage. If we say personal pronouns, this one replaces the possessive adjective and the noun to avoid repeating. Example, potato is studying. Oh, potato is a personal let's change the word potato into a pronoun, which means we will use the pronoun instead of the real name potato. So since potato is a boy, we use he. Now here, possessive, ownership. Oh, I will say his bag, his house, his dog, his toy, okay? That is for possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, okay? We commonly use those things. Again, potato, if we say possessive, it talks about ownership. Okay, ownership. The owner of the thing. All right, let's try. Okay, look at here, potato. some of the words in reading and writing, part 1, look and often sound very the same. For example, game, name. Okay, can you hear that one? When you try to say these two words, they almost got the same sound. Game, name. Oh, you should practice finding these small differences. Look at here, potato, in the game and the name. The difference there is the beginning letter. G and N. Game, name. But if you will listen to the last part of it, they have almost the same aim. Okay? So careful with that, potato. All right. So here, potato, look at here. What are this? Can you see? As look at here, potato. I want you to put tick if it's correct, put X if it's not correct, okay?
Here. Here.
Okay, please read number 1. Number 1. This is, come on.
What?
Please read. Number 1.
Lena is a robot. Lena is name. It is a skateboard. It's a cake. It's keyboard. It's a tablet.
Okay, now look at here, number 1. This is a robot. What's the answer, potato? Tick or cross? Correct. Let's see. Oh, very good. It's correct. Number 2, these are socks. Socks is correct. This is a name. The answer number 3 is correct. It's a cross. Potato, why the answer number 3 is cross? Why it's cross? Cross because?
No name.
Because it's not a name. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, is it a name?
No.
It's a game, not a name.
Again. It is again.
Okay, this is a game. Next, number 4. This is a cake. Let's check. This is a cake. The answer is... Oh, very good. It's cross. Why the answer is cross? Potato, why it's cross?
But then, I don't
Because
know.
this is, what's the picture number 4? Picture 4 is it a cake? What is that? It's a?
Hello mga idol, good evening.
What is that?
Punta ninyo mga idol.
What is that?
I
Is
don't know.
it a cake? It's a, what's the color green?
Ball,
What kind?
ball.
Oh, is it a ball? Oh no. Is it a ball? It's a balloon. Again. What is it? It is a, what is it, potato? Potato. What is it? It is a, what is it? Balloon. Again.
What?
It's a balloon.
It's balloon.
Yeah, it's a balloon. Next, number 5. This is a keyboard. Look at here. Very good. Is it a keyboard? Potato, is it a keyboard?
No.
Oh, what is it?
Yeah.
Keyboard. Look at the picture. Yes, it is a keyboard. Next, number 6. This is a tablet. Oy, very good. It's cross. What is number 6, Potato? Number 6 is a... What's number 6? Is it a tablet?
No.
What is that? It's a... What is it? Number 6. It's a... What's that? It's a teddy bear. It's a bear. Okay. Let's move now. All right. Okay, Potato, look at the picture here. I have here a picture and I have here a question for you. Potato, can you please read? Potato, can you please tell me how many children are there? Potato, how many children are there in the picture? Can you tell, teacher? Potato?
Huh?
Okay, look at there. I have a question. Listen to me. How many children can you see in the picture? Can you tell teacher how many children are there?
Look.
There are
Look.
6. Very good. There are 6 children. And Potato, what are their names? What's the name or what are the names of these children in the picture? What are the names of the children? We have, please read their names. Nick. Who else? Who else? Nick. Next. Next.
Okay.
Lucy. Very good. Who else?
Tom.
Tom. Correct. Who else?
Jelly.
Okay. Jill. Who else?
Bill.
Bill. And last one is?
Anna.
All right. Anna. Great job. All right. Next question, Potato. Potato, what are they doing? What are these 6 children doing in the picture?
And
They are, many
Go.
are. They
Go
are
fishing.
fishing. Correct. Very good. They are fishing. Great job. Potato, look at here. We have here
What?
people. Look at there. We have there people and children, and they are fishing. Now here, look at there. Look at what they got. Look at who got.
With me.
Okay, with you. Okay.
What?
Potato, look at here, number 1. Whose mouse is it? Look at there in the picture.
It's a neck.
Okay, look at there in the picture. Okay, look at there, number 1. Whose mouse is it? Can you see the mouse in the picture here? Oh, I have here a baseball, clock, mouse, kite, watch, paint. Now here, look at this one. Potato, look at here who's got the mouse. Oh, look at the fishing rope. Is it? Who got the mouse? It's who got the mouse? Potato. It's oh, look at, do you follow the line? Potato, follow the line.
Clock.
No, mouse, number 1. Look at there, the picture.
Clock.
Who's got the mouse?
Mouse. I don't know.
Oh, look at here. Oh, look at the line. I have here a line. This is the mouse. And you follow the line. Where's the line going? Line of the mouse. Going to who? Going to Nick. Very good. That's why we wrote here, it's Nick's. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, wait me. Potato, you enter again to my Zoom class, Potato, because this Zoom is about to close. Okay? Enter again. Teacher will wait. Enter again.